Happy holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator. Happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the Pop-Up Studio. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, and this is my studio. I'm a pop-up book creator, children's book author, and illustrator, and I want to welcome you to my studio and to my channel. Woo! I love being on this channel. Happy holidays, everybody. It's the winter season. You know, it's time to get those presents out and decorate the tree or light up the menorah or, you know, just celebrate the new year that's coming. We have 12 days, the 12 pops of the holidays coming. This is yet another one of those pop-up cards that we're making. So we made 12 different pop-up cards. You can either send them out as cards or you can make a giant pop-up holiday book. So today we're gonna be making, oh, it's upside down. Whoa! A pop-up fireplace. Look at it, it's all 3D. There's a little fire inside. Ooh, it's hot. We're gonna make this pop-up fireplace together. Excited? So I already made the template. So you just download the PDF down below. There's a link. Print it onto cardstock. Use cardstock. Don't use like construction paper or regular paper. It won't work as well. You need a heavier type of paper. There it is. Download it. We'll assemble it together. I'll take you through step by step to make this really cool holiday card, this fireplace. Should we get started? Let's do. All right, there are all of our templates printed out onto cardstock. You can use any color. Let's get a ruler. We need a ruler, right? We need a knitting needle or a large paper clip for scoring. We need a knife for cutting, a craft knife, or scissors, and glue. We need glue. All right, so we started scoring. We follow all the dotted black lines, and we use our ruler along all those lines, and we press with the edge of our knitting needle to all those dotted lines. And this is just gonna tell the paper, hey paper, this is where you're supposed to fold, so that once we cut out all these pieces with our craft knife, it'll be super easy to fold all of those areas. So once we finish scoring, we're gonna start cutting out all the pieces. I always score before I cut out the pieces because sometimes what happens is if you score after you cut out the pieces, the tabs might rip or something like that. So we don't want that. So let's start cutting with our X-Acto knife and cut along all the solid black lines. So dotted black lines are fold lines. The solid black lines are cut lines, right? So once we've done that, after we've done all the cutting, let's pre-fold everything. And we're following where the dotted black lines are, and we're just folding along them and just making sure we're just getting the paper used to folding so it's much easier when our pop-up is working. So after we've pre-folded everything, it's time to assemble. All right, let's pull out the base page here. There are a lot of slits on the base page. Let's make this piece here. This is a center support strut. You can tell because it has, on the opposite side, it has two 90-degree V-folds. Those kind of work in opposite directions so that our pop-up will stand up. It's gonna make like sort of a platform. There's layers and stuff. There's all kinds of stuff happening with this one. All right, so see these tabs that are on the bottom? There's that piece, it's all glued together. This piece here, just gonna fold it like so, and it goes into the base page. You can see these two pieces fold right there. They're gonna go slide in those slits. Sometimes I get those words mixed up, slots and slits. So we're gonna slide in those slits and see these two little tabs here? They slide into the base page right there. Oops, sometimes it's a little hard to get them in. So we got those two, just like that. Beautiful. You can build it flat if you like. And we're gonna glue them on the opposite side. So you can see how those layers move back and forth. Now, remember that piece we started out with? These four tabs are gonna go. We're gonna glue these two on the V-folds. We're gonna glue them both into place. And they go in the base just like that. Beautiful. And these two tabs here, they just surface glue onto the base page, and they're gonna glue onto the base page, and they glue, you can't see very well, but they glue along the center of the base page on each side, so on the left and right. Let's glue these two tabs, and it's kind of the same thing on the opposite side. We're gonna glue those two tabs in there, and then we're gonna glue these two tabs on the other outside of our fireplace into place. Fireplace into place. I just said place so much. Place, place, place.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Bring the magic of the Disney parks into your home with this fun and interactive pop-up map.
with original artwork by the incredible Rui Ricardo, detailed text by Charlie Price, and intricate paper engineering from award-winning paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt. That's me. The Disneyland Pop-Up Park Tour brings the beloved landscapes, attractions, and characters of the Disney parks vividly to life. Intricate and unique, this deluxe pop-up map is an essential keepsake for Disney fans of all ages. Now you can bring Disneyland home with you. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, don a cowl and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker. Featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page. This hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. All right, there we go. Look at that. Our fireplace is sticking up. It's making a really nice structure. We're gonna fold it flat. And you're gonna see that that central strut there, it sort of slots into that place. Okay, now we're gonna glue these. This is the upper mantle of the fireplace. These are the stockings that glue down on the mantle. So they're gonna glue downward. And make sure that center one doesn't go over our center fold. Then we're gonna glue this tab down. It glues into place right there. And this one glues in the center. See how that center, there's a left and right side. So we glue it with the center fold of our mantle piece right there. And then this tab goes right in on this side onto the base page in that slit. And look at that, that is our mantle piece. And make sure that center is lined up with the center. All right, so we've glued those tabs into place. Make sure that that center strut glues underneath the center of the mantle piece. And ignore all the lines on the back side of this card. We're trying to be paper conscious right here. Okay, so now we're gonna glue the fire into place. So it slides through this area here. See that little flame tab? This area kind of folds together and slides through. See how that is? So that's gonna be our little, it's gonna make actually what's called a tented V-fold. Or excuse me, this is gonna be a tented layer. That kind of glues in place, just like that. And see the tabs on the left and right? Those are gonna glue into the base page. We're inside our little fireplace there. Okay, there's one side. Let's glue the other side. That's the left side. Glue it into that slit, just like that. So there's our little flame piece in the center of the fireplace. Look at that. Okay, this is the bottom of our fireplace. Okay, so this piece here, it glues over onto itself. See, it glues just like that onto itself. Beautiful. And then we're gonna put glue on this tab. It's gonna slide into that slit, like so. All right, and remember that piece that we glued onto itself? It has a little, oh, and there's a tab right there. So we need to glue that into place. See this piece glues right there. There we go, just like that. And those two tabs glue just in place. Now, those tabs underneath should find their place once you flattened everything and it's glued down. See those tabs that go underneath the lower part of the mantle. All right, now let's glue the covers into place. So that was one side. We're gonna put glue all over the cover piece, line it up into place, put it on the front. There we are, our beautiful Christmas fireplace with stockings. Okay, I want to decorate this one. Let's get going. Whoa, look at that. So we made it. We made our fireplace card. And there are the little stockings on the mantle. Oh, it's so cool. I can't wait till Christmas this year. Remember, there's 12 different cards in this series, in this video series. You can either send them out as, holiday cards to your loved ones, or you can glue them all together to make a giant pop-up holiday book. So either way, it's all up to you. You're the creator. And listen, could you do me a favor? Could you hit that like and subscribe button down below? It helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and it gets our videos out there. You know what I'm saying? If you like the video, be sure to comment below. If you didn't like the video, be sure to comment below. If you don't like me, be sure to comment below. Your feedback is really helpful with things because, if you have ideas for future videos, I'll do it. I mean, I really do. I listen. There's been actually someone who's been asking me to make a pop-up palm tree. So we're gonna do that in the new year. Trust me, I heard your request. We're gonna do that. And there's other ones that people have asked for, so we're gonna continue to listen. I appreciate your feedback. I do this, I'm here because of you. You know, I'm usually here in my studio and I'm hidden away. This is my way of reaching out and also about like connecting with other people, because sometimes I get lonely, and I'm so glad that you're out there and you're enjoying these videos. It's really fun to make them. So I want to thank you all for joining me today. This is Matthew Reinhardt saying, be kind to a stranger, think creatively, and to remember to keep it poppin'. Woo! Happy holidays, everybody. See you in the next video.